Welcome everybody to the presentation of an agent-based model about the diffusion of the virus in a region, in this case an Italian region as Piedmont, represented in scale but with realistic data and dimensions, sure, in a very stylized way. Here we have empty spaces, we have T as towns, C and cities, and in cities and towns we have cyan areas with houses, we have schools in yellow, nursing homes in orange, hospitals in pink. Hospital will be represented as institution. We have also workplaces in brown, light brown, if small, as small factories, offices, shops, or dark brown if large factories, large shops, and so on. In the presentation, we have also the same objects in a more evident picture, as you see now. And we have people. People in the beginning are susceptible of infection and are represented with a gray color. We have a lot of people, you see them now in the world, and they are moving, working, living, but to have a more close view to the infected one, we have to hide the multitude and to specialize the view on the red ones, the infected symptomatic, the violet ones, the infected asymptomatic, remembering that when a red one recovers to a safe state will be turquoise as color, and when the violet recover to a safe state will be green as color. Died people will disappear from the simulation. So we hide the gray people and we enlarge the colored ones in the following way. Now we see clearly the violet, the red, and so on. We see people represented by a cross are fragile people. People represented by a star are healthcare operators, and by triangle are nursing homes operators. After the end of the lockdown, a lot of infection, in this case, has been arising. This is not always happening in the simulation. In this case, is very evident. The simulation now is finished, and we can again introduce the gray people. This is important to show the proportion of the safe people related to the infected ones, also if recovered. And finally, we can go back and have the original dimensions in our world to show exactly the model as it was in the beginning.